Hey Hoopers, it's Deanne Love here, and in this series we are going from beginners to beyond. I'm going to pick some foundational hoop dance moves or tricks. Most of them will come from my 28-day beginners starter pack over on learn.hooplovers.tv. So if you're already doing that, that's epic, because this is going to show you how to take those moves and make them extra. All hoop tricks have variations, and there's stuff that you can add to any hoop trick to make it a little bit more fabulous. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Grab your hoop and let's get started. I'm going to be using a 90 centimeter Polypro 35 inch. You can use any size hoop that works for you. We are going to take in this tutorial the foundational move of this hand spin, this vertical hand spin, prayer hands, and we're going to add some onto it. So if you're not familiar or you're not doing my 28-day starter pack on learn.hooplovers.tv, then I'm going to break it down really quickly for you. We start with one hand. You want to bring your elbow in towards your body, fingers pointing out away from you, thumb up, and we shake hands with the hoop. We're finding a rhythm. There's a little up-down bounce. And then we bring our second hand. We wait for the gap to open up on the palm side of our hand, and we take that second hand straight in. Pinkies, pointers, middle fingers, palms, thumbs, the whole thing needs to stay together. Anytime that you start to open your hands out, and this can feel weird because you can't grab it or you can't feel it on the palms or the fronts of your hands, you just feel it on the back. So find a rhythm, find your breath. Okay, so once you've got that from here, what we're going to do is we're going to do a 360 turn, but let's break it down. If your hoop's going out to the right side, you're going to turn to the left. If the hoop is going out to the left side or spinning to the left side, you're going to turn to the right. Mine's going to the right, so I turn to the left very slowly. Make sure you're warmed up. Of course you would be. You've probably been hoop dancing for a while now. Lead with your top elbow. Halfway turn, and really make sure the tip is that you keep your fingers facing towards me. And then we come all the way back around to where we started. Let's try it without the hoop, just to make sure that our form is solid, because form is everything with this. So what we're going to do, fix up our costume. First of all, place your palms, your fingers, and your thumbs together and towards me. Thumbs are up and fingers are always, this middle finger is always towards me, or whatever point you decide to direct it at. The opposite direction to the hoop spin, you're going to turn and keep your tips of your fingers facing towards me. Now, as you come all the way around, you're going to find that you really need to open up through your triceps. Drop your thumbs down towards the nape of your neck, if you can, little by little. And then your toes are going to be facing away from me. As you turn, again, you bring your hands back down to in front of your solar plexus. So try that as many times as you can. Now, there are going to be times when you have so much going on that you forget that your fingers need to be towards me, and you're going to take them up towards the sky or down towards the floor. And of course, that means that the hoop's going to drop off. But don't worry. You can just pick it back up, keep on dancing over to it, and start again. Okay, so let's see if we're ready. One hand. Two hands, fingers towards me. Turn in the opposite direction as the hoops spin. As you turn around, really drop the thumbs down, fingers towards me, and then turn around again. Now, some people find it easier to go a little bit faster, but I highly recommend that you slow it down so that you really are able to open up into that form. Now, there's one little bit of extra that you can do. And this is also a variation that can help you if you're having a bit of trouble, or if you start to lose the hoop or it's going somewhere else. And what's going to happen is, as we do our half turn, at the top, we can take one hand out and then bring that hand back around. Now, when I say bring that hand back around, I really do mean come from 12 o'clock and bring it all the way back down to 6. Because if you just leave it hanging, so you get to the top and you're like, okay, and your body's turning, but your arm's not quite, your hoop's going to end up too far away. So really make sure that you're thinking about your hoop, your hands, and your body's alignment. So we have a center point. Imagine that center point coming out from your solar plexus, running a plumb line down through your body. As you come and do a half turn, make sure you're still in the center. And as your toes come back around to face me, make sure your hand comes down to that center again. If it's way out here, then you're likely to lose the hoop. So give it a try. We've gone from prayer hands, the prayer hand mandala, a full circle, and taking one hand out and coming all the way back around. That is how you can take this guy to this or this. Add your own little variations, think about your form and alignment, and go from beginner to beyond with practice and play. Don't forget to come over to learn.hooplovers.tv if you do want to try that 28-day starter pack or any of the courses. There's so many, free and paid, and Instagram. I'll see you over there. I've got a ton of links down below, as always, to more and more and more amazing resources for all of you hoopers. Tune in next week because there's a new trick that we're going to take extra, beginner to beyond. Big hoop love from me to you. Mwah.